Yo guys, what's up? We are on YouTube. It's the first time ever I invite the Figure Barber Mentorship group on to react with me. So I just want to introduce everybody. Yo guys, y'all want to say what's up?
What's up, everybody?
What up?
Yo, what's good?
Yo, so listen, a bunch of us were at CT Barber Expo where we launched the new Tomb 45 Power Pods, and I've been wanting to react to the first unboxing by Tank B Choppin', and we were already on the mentorship call, and we said, freak it, let's watch it together. So guys, shout out to Tank B Choppin'. Everybody know who Tank is?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I jumped off the plane, came to the house, set my camera up. I said, you know what? I need to do a video unboxing all the stuff that I got at the CT Barber Expo. If y'all haven't been to the CT Barber Expo, y'all really missing out, man. It's a super nice event, you know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all watch this video all the way to the end because I will be unboxing the new Tomb 45 charging pods. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and get into this video.
Hey, Tank is quick as hell with the reviews, huh? That was quick.
Yo, he's not playing.
So first thing is first, man. You know your boy likes to rock with illusion capes, right? So I had to get me a new cape. The only thing I ain't like about it is I wish they would have gave it to me in the packaging that you get. Like when you order them offline, I'll make sure to put the picture of this cape on screen. We got that Aztec. I believe it's called the Aztec cape or the Mind cape. It's one of those. Don't get me lying on camera, but it's one of those. I did get it in Snap. I wish I would have got it in the clips. I like the.
Y'all like snaps or the clips?
Clips all day.
Clips.
No, the clips. The clips
Yeah,
are cool.
clips, sure.
The hair gets stuck in the clip ones. I found. I like the buttons.
You like the buttons better?
What? Couple with hair getting stuck
Nah,
in the
bro.
I don't know.
Clips.
I don't know.
Hey,
You ain't
Look,
gotta
I'm
fit
choking my
everybody.
clients
Hey,
with the
Luke,
clip, man.
those sounded like fighting words the way people reacting to you, Luke.
He invented a
Facts.
new way to cut hair, getting hair stuck in the clips.
That's why I don't use no.
Talk to him, Mutan.
I'm messing with you,
Luke
bro.
said I
I'm
ain't
messing
say nothing the rest of the damn video.
The next product that I got out there, check it out. I don't know if y'all can read that, but it says Habibi. It's Habibi sunglasses.
But
The
they're
women
sunglasses.
glasses, but we're going to go ahead and throw them on. She's going to get mad when she see this video, but it's all right, man.
Tank, those don't look good on you, bro.
Super dope frames, man. I'm liking these, you know. Obviously not for me, right? But, you know, they look good.
All right, let's see
Open up
which
another
one he's
one. My wife also got these. She's really feeling these.
Where's his? Oh, those
Ready
are
to
his.
go. Ready to go. You know what I'm saying? These shades, they fly, man. They nice and stylish. Really rocking with these frames
Tank
myself.
Tank spent a
glad
bag
that
out
we
there.
found them.
All right. Oh, Faded Culture. I got a
Check
bunch of
that
their
out,
shirts
man.
too. Their
Faded
shirts are
Culture.
quality.
Hey, check the back out. It says Faded Culture, a Southern company. Shout out to Faded Culture, man. They're making some great strides in the game. Big moves. They drop great content on YouTube.
What y'all think about Faded Culture's channel?
I feel like it's more entertainment than anything. It's not like education, though.
Really?
It is dope, though.
Wow.
Maybe
That's
like-
fire.
I thought it was very educational. Like maybe I haven't watched their YouTube channel in a while, but I used to think their tutorials were very high quality, very high level.
Yeah. The camera quality is amazing.
I mean, I feel like it is education, but it's just more entertainment than education is what I was saying.
Yeah, you
You gotta
but,
realize it's YouTube.
but it's YouTube. That's why you got to have a mix of that. You can't just have just straight information. If you want your YouTube channel to pop, it's got to be a good mix of everything. If you think about Beam is not just a tutorial. He's got the music on. He sounds like he's rapping, right? That's his way of entertaining. Jeezy's funny,
Yeah.
right? Like all the channels that pop, got to have some entertainment. And then there's my boring ass and get no views.
And no views at all.
They missing out.
the shirts are dope.
I seen that he had some new clippers, and I was asking him about them, and he said, you know what, Tank, here, grab these, take them home, do an unboxing, use them, and let me know what you think.
Hold on, which clip is you think he's talking about?
Cocos?
I bought the Cocos.
Yeah, you not feeling them? Beam
They
loved
biting?
them. Beam loved them when he's.
You buy the
This is
clippers
what
or
I'm
did you
saying.
buy the trimmer?
I bought both. I bought the clipper and the trimmer set. The clipper, I heavily dislike. The trimmer has an amazing blade on it, but it just, bro, it is like so skinny. It's like skinnier than the low pros.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just me. I ended up giving them joints away. already.
What? Wow.
I gave them back. I gave them some more.
Bro, the way Beam was talking about the trimmers, I thought he was gonna try to buy the company. He was in love with them trimmers.
Beam, bro, the blade is amazing, but it's not a strong motor like what the
Yeah.
Babyliss got. Now,
Beam's
Beam
a
will
sucker
tell
for
you
blades,
that,
for sharp blades, for sure.
yeah, Beam will tell you that he's a certified shooter. He can, you know what I mean? That's what he'll tell you. So maybe my opinion don't matter, but
Yo, this is actually really good. I might have to start reacting with you guys from now on.
So I got them right here in this box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. Once again, this ain't the actual box, so I don't want to show y'all too much of this. But let me go ahead and open this.
Okay, I was
Check
gonna
it
say
out.
if that was the
David
actual
said he
box.
saw his-
We got the new Vader clipper. I don't know if y'all can see the name on it, but let's move this out the way. Check it out. As y'all can see, it says
That's
Vader
kinda
right
fun.
there. We got a nice black fade blade on there. You know I'm a fan of fade
Oh, that's
blades.
a Supreme.
Does come with the
That's not Coco.
But it looks like Coco. It's the same clipper, bro.
Yeah.
That shit look like Manscaped shit.
Damn, y'all going in. Hey, y'all go crazy right now. I don't know. There's people that like it though.
Manscaped clippers.
and
Yo, by the way, do y'all know how many clippers Manscaped sells?
No.
Yo, Manscaped sells a
Bro.
lot of clippers, but they're domestic.
They do
So,
millions of dollars a month in clipper sales. A month
Damn.
in clipper sales.
Manscaped. Has anybody tried to do a fade with the Manscaped clipper?
Hey, that might be a
YouTube
that might be
challenge.
a YouTube challenge right there. This is one unit. This is just one of their units. 1.7 a month. That's one unit. Bro, that they have different models. That's not their 3.0, their other models. This is just their 4.0 model, 1.7 a month.
That's probably all their marketing, though. That helps that.
Marketing's fire.
Is it? They got 30,000 4.5-star reviews. So I got in the product game. One thing I learned is it's no different than my whole concept on whether or not your barbershop's doing well or not. Your opinion really doesn't matter. What's your customers think? If I got 1,000 5-star reviews, what am I complaining about? It's the same thing with these products, man. If your customers are happy, sometimes we try to play God and create what everybody's going to think about the product. You gotta let the demand tell you whether it's good or not. Do you guys think those Coco clippers and trimmers or the Supreme trimmer clippers and trimmers, you guys think they're gonna take off, or you guys think they're gonna flatline?
Nah.
It's a
Hell
flatline.
no.
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 All right. With you guys saying that, what's the hottest clipper out right now to you guys?
I still
Instincts. Instincts.
Everybody's
I
saying
still
Instincts.
rock
Yo,
with
truthfully,
Babbles.
the Rebels, the Instincts, the Sabers, all gamma.
I need to hear what Marcos thinks. You punch Supreme. Is the Ergos?
That's what I use right now.
Okay, the Ergos. Not even the X Ergos.
Hey,
Look, they don't like them. Look.
I bought these recently, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a big fan.
Really? So you like the Ergos?
Nah.
You like the regular Ergos
Nah, they
over the
don't-
low pros?
They just, it sounds crazy, but they feel too powerful.
What?
If that makes sense.
At least he prefaced it with,
But,
it sounds crazy.
You know what clippers and trimmers I see a lot of people have?
Huh.
The pissed off barbers.
Yeah, the T-Pops.
I like click levers.
It's metal,
I'm
right?
Go ahead and turn this on for y'all. So as y'all can hear,
It's quiet.
she's humming pretty quietly, and I love quiet clippers.
It must be like a magnetic motor. Can I give Tank a shout out real quick that he uses my cousin's beats? How dope is that? You guys know they're coming out with Rebel trimmers?
Nah, I ain't heard nothing about
And
that.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I had them in my hand. I turned them on. They sound crazy, bro. They purr. Let's see if Tank turns them on.
From CT, check it out. The Stylecraft Rebel Trimmer. I've been seeing this online. I've been seeing people use this in other countries. I've seen it on their Instagram a couple times. So I was really interested, and I was kind of upset that I didn't have one yet. I was like, man, why I ain't got my trimmer yet? But when I was out there, Austin from Stylecraft and Gamma, I said, hey Tank, I got you. Super torque motor runs at 7,500 RPMs, 3 hours of cordless runtime.
I think the Skeleton Boost FX is 7,500.
Y'all know it does come with a zero gap setter if you want to zero gap it. When I zero gap my tools, I normally do it myself without any setters, but check it out. Here is the Stylecraft Rebel trimmer. Oh, hey, she sounds powerful. You know what? This trimmer really reminds me.
The camera ain't doing it justice. It really is a sound pretty powerful for the size of it.
Absolute hitter, but like it's Big Brother, you know, like the absolute hitter on steroids. You know what I'm saying? Like it just, bro, like I don't know if y'all can tell, but it sounds super powerful.
The only thing with Stylecraft and Gamma, and correct me if I'm wrong, guys, they come out with so much stuff. It's hard to keep up.
Yeah.
I wish they would let some of their products have a little bit longer of a life cycle. So here we go, guys. Is the official first unboxing of the product on YouTube.
I've been waiting for the Tune 45 wireless charging pods base. Check it out. This is the box that it comes in. Super throwed box, man. As y'all can see, the box looks nice.
That box is like $5. Just the box.
Oh,
Just so y'all know,
I'm sick.
that's a premium box.
Put that down real quick. And then we got the charging pods right here. As y'all can see, here are the charging pods. So they don't have every pod for every clipper just yet. They're still working on some. So I just bought some just so I can use and put a video with it. So the pods that I got was the FX3 clipper pod, the FX3 shaver pod, got the Gamma Stylecraft clipper or trimmer pod. I should have got 2 of these. And then I also got the Skeleton FX charging pod. I got the Low Pro pod, clipper, and trimmer. Y'all know what it is, man. But let's go ahead and open this up so we can see how this looks. All right, let's get this out of here. Instruction manual. I normally don't use this, but I'm gonna read it just because I'm not 100% sure how to set this up and how to work it yet. Charging pod's base. Use only one plug to power your base. Pretty simple. You can plug it to either side, so there's a plug on either side. That's why it says only use one. Once base is plugged in, confirm your pod is facing the front. Indication collar on individual pods to identify the direction. Ensure that the clips on the base are in line with the grooves in base before securing. Your machine should be facing forward while in base. Sounds pretty self-explanatory. Let me check out the back. Once pod is secured to the base, place your compatible machine into its charging pod to enable charging. Indicator lights on compatible machine will appear to confirm charging. Charging pods are also available individually. Sanitize and or disinfect the surface area without submerging in water. So you don't want to submerge this in water, obviously, right?
You would think that's obvious until you get an email.
Our little warranty sticker right here. But let's get this out the way. Let's open this thing up. All right, so we got the charger right here. First look at the charger from the 245 wireless pod base.
So that's a 60-watt power supply. That's like double anything that's out there on the market, and it's probably quadruple what one of the bigger brands has out there. Just for context.
Here is the base. Let's check this out. Let's take this plastic off so we can actually look at it, get a good look at it. Man, this thing looks so nice and so sleek. Check it out. So once again, it is a good size, as y'all can see. But y'all can see, man, it looks nice, man. It's nice and sleek. Man, this thing's dope, bro. This thing is super dope. I'm gonna go ahead and put my pods on there.
Don't Apple products have boxes like that?
Yeah, that's what we wanted them to imitate. We literally told them we want it to be like the Apple boxes, Apple product boxes, because it's an experience. You know what I mean? When you're unboxing it, it's nice like that.
My first look at the pod outside of seeing it at the Expo. Hey, it looks nice. It looks really well built, you know what I'm saying? Like well manufactured, if that's the word. So when you put the pods in here, you want to make sure that it is facing front, obviously, right? As you can see, this is the front because it's got the 245 logo on the front of the base, and on the back it does it. So we got to make sure that's the front, right? The front of the pods is going to have this part right here towards the front. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one in, and you got to apply a little bit of pressure to push it in there. I'm going to put it in flush and then just push it down.
And it snaps.
Boom. Now it's in there. In the box also, it tells you which way is the front. All right, so check it out. They're in here. All right, guys, as y'all can see, here's the base. I have a pretty bad angle, and as y'all can see, the new Rebel, as y'all can see right here, actually fits in the Gamma Stylecraft pod. Doesn't fit perfectly. I'm sure the dimensions are a little different, but as y'all can see, it is charging, and I do have my Rose Gold FX trimmer charging also.
That's a hack for now.
If y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but this light is blinking, showing that it's charging, and then you just take it off. You can put it back on like so. The good thing about this is you can also fit this trimmer, or you can fit the Rogue or the Ergo, whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, the light is on because it's charging. But these pods, super dope, man. I really wish I had all the clippers so I can show y'all, but y'all can get a good idea of how this 245 pod charging kit is working. But yeah, man, once again, as y'all can see, I only got 2 clippers on there, but I got some more spots for some more clippers on there. But check that out, man. The fact that this base can charge up to 6 clippers, pretty dope. With 1 cord, pretty dope. Now I want to say that, man, I think 245 is gonna kill the game with this one, bro. You can't get better than this. We're gonna charge 6 different clippers with 1 base, with 1 cord. It's gonna eliminate a lot of the mess on stations, especially my stations, because y'all know your boy has a lot of clippers and stuff on his station, so it's gonna take away a lot of that mess. And it's only 1 cord, 6 docks. I'm gonna have to purchase me another one. Now I don't know when this is gonna drop, but when these pods do drop, remember guys, y'all can use my discount code TANK at 245.com. Even if y'all want to go get anything.
My guys, everybody on this call, you guys have access to the affiliate program. Better jump on this. when it drops. Just letting you know. Easy money.
When's it dropping?
I'll let you guys know. Dre's working on getting that. Tank is smart. He getting ahead of everybody with the discount code. I want to see the comments real quick. That was dope though that he said those nice things about it. So
Yeah, it is. Right. That was real dope. He represented for real.
Look, people feeling the Supreme and the Cocoa Clipper. Y'all better stop sleeping, bro. That's what I'm saying. People just fell in love with them Saber trimmers or the Instinct trimmers, and now the Rebel trimmers coming out. It's gonna be tough, man. It's tough. I appreciate y'all being on my unboxing. Shout out to the Figure Barber Mentorship group. And y'all want to say anything to YouTube? Go ahead.
First of all, you want to boost your ability to build a clientele, either follow Tune 45 or become a part of the academy. Secondly, if you want to save some space, get ready to get the pods and get ready to get the power pods. Get ready to get the power pods and save some space on your station to cut hair with. So if you want to take your whole barber experience to the next level, follow or be a part of Tune 45.
Let's go. Shout out to Mouton, man. Shout out to Mouton. Have a good night, guys. Appreciate y'all watching the video. We'll see you on the next one.